What's up, everyone? It's Hey John, and I jabber opportunities nonstop. Today, I will be covering Evergrow Coin, the Bitcoin markets, the charts, the news, and ladies and gentlemen, Evergrow Coin is on the up and up, and let me go ahead and show you guys why. WEBULL has reached out to me, and they told me they have a phenomenal deal. The deal is that if you create an account with them, you will get one free stock. And if you deposit any amount, the key word being any amount, even $1, you will get 4 more free stonks. Yes, 4 more free stonks. So what you gotta do is create an account, deposit even $1, and you will get 5 free stonks valued up to $8,000. The only catch is that this is a limited time offer. From December 23rd to December 31st, 2021. And you must use my link down below in the description. So guys, make sure you jump on this great deal. Currently, Evergrow Coin is on the up and up. We're seeing a bullish movement to the upside. And ladies and gentlemen, you need to check out this news. Creator plus Metaverse. My mind is blown from that comment. Creator plus Metaverse. Yesterday, I was in the impromptu Twitter spaces with Evergrow Paul and Mrs. Crypto Rabbit, etc. And Evergrow Paul said that Sam has reached out to him, giving him some information about Creator and Metaverse. However, no details were released, but he did mention Sam was excited about this, and we all know the current buzzwords of cryptocurrency: Metaverse, NFTs. Holy cow, this is gonna be big. However though, if Evergrow Sam and Evergrow Coin team can make something like Decentraland, holy cow, it's going to make a lot more sense on how Evergrow Coin is going to do their NFT lending and their lending business in the future. Now, of course, it is all pure speculation, and we literally have to wait and see to see what happens. But I suspect on the next AMA next year in 2022, Evergrow Coin is going to drop some big news. And ladies and gentlemen, I cannot wait. Can you? Check this out, folks. Evergrow Coin currently has 116,393 hodlers. The Evergrow Coin search term is literally at 32 right now. We're seeing people search for Evergrow Coin more and more. The last time I covered this, it was around 14, and now we're at 32. It more than doubled the search term. Ladies and gentlemen, Evergrow Coin is setting up for some greatness, folks. Literally, we all know what happens when tons of people search for Evergrow Coin. Do you remember in the beginning of the Evergrow Coin phase, people were going into the Evergrow Coin website exponentially, and boom, there were outages. And Sam and the Evergrow Coin team mentioned that, oh my God, every time this happens, we see a large spike. And guess what? Evergrow Coin. And this time will be no different. Do not forget, folks, in Q1 2022, there is one thing that is different from 2021. And that is marketing. When Sam and the Evergrow Coin team drop their big $1 million market wallet on marketing, whew, man, can you guys see where it's going? I can. Oh wait, it's somewhere far away. We are seeing some more good news on the stock market. Omicron up to 70% less likely to cause hospitalization than Delta variant. UK government study finds. S&P 500 closes at a record following 3-day rebound from Omicron sell-off. Ladies and gentlemen, I have been saying, and I have been calling it out, folks, the Omicron pullback is just that. It's a pullback and it's an overreaction. The reason why I call it a pullback and overreaction is because now the pandemic has been going on for almost 2 years now, and we actually have tools in our war chest to combat this virus. And we now have policies and procedures in order to deal with this virus. When I see the market selling off, to me, that is nothing more than a dip buying opportunity. Let's go ahead and cover the cryptocurrency markets as a whole. Bitcoin, 9% for the week. Current price, $51,017. Ethereum, $4,091, up 6% for the week. Binance Coin, up 4.72% for the week at $547. Solano, $194. Cardano, $1.44. These are up 10.5% and 17.5% for the week, folks. The Ethereum killers are literally rebounding and going hard, folks. XRP, 94 cents, a slight pullback, but overall increase for 18% for the week. Luna is up a whopping 43% for the week. Woo, that's a lot. Current price, $96. Avalanche, 7% up for the week and $121. Dogecoin is up 14% for the week, just like that. At the current price of 19 cents, Shiba Inu is 37.53, up 19% for the week. The overall cryptocurrency market is doing phenomenal right now. It's buzzing and it's rolling and it's going up. We're seeing Bitcoin lead the market. We're seeing the Santa Claus rally. Ho, 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 everyone right now. And ladies and gentlemen, I am more than pleased to report this to you guys because this is fantastic. Ladies and gentlemen, we are covering the Bitcoin charts from a daily perspective. The current low for the day is $50,413. The high is $51,603. Now you can see the previous day, the range was from $47,800 to about $51,439, folks. And what is interesting is that we're seeing that Bitcoin is crossing the resistance of $50,722. Let me zoom in for you guys, folks. So now we can see the Agora RSI indicator is on the bull side. And I've been telling you guys for the longest time, the bulls have been asleep and they have been accumulating their Bitcoins. And now they finally woke up. I called this out in a previous video, and now we are trending to the upside now, folks. Now we're currently going against the Agora ribbon, and it's essentially ranges from $51,000 all the way up to $53,000. Now, if we can go through this and pierce through this, folks, then that means we are on track to the $65,139 resistance. It's a very big range from 51K to 65K, but again, if we can break through this ribbon, folks, this is what it means. We can go higher. Of course, it'll take time. It won't happen overnight. While it could, but it's very unlikely. The most important thing on a chart that I want to note is that we currently broke through the $50,722 resistance, and we are currently using it as a quote-unquote support. I call this quote-unquote support because, so we need to confirm this and validate this. Now, how do we validate this? Well, I need to see 3 days of the candlesticks above $50,722 for me to call it a confirmation that in the near term, we will be using $50,722 as a support instead of a resistance. And ladies and gentlemen, that is a very big deal for Bitcoin because we've been trading below that for so long now, I've lost count. If you're wondering, well, why is Bitcoin rallying so hard? Well, I did see a very large Tether buy from Tether USD get up to $250 in Bitcoins using my BlockFi, link down below in the description. Ladies and gentlemen, let's go ahead and cover the Evergrow coin chart on a 15-minute perspective. The reason why I'm using 15 minutes is because I want to get the detail blow by blow to see when we break out. Ladies and gentlemen, I've been saying Evergrow coin is extremely bullish for the past 2 days. Nobody believed me, and that's okay. Now we're seeing the fruition of my technical analysis. Going back a few days, we were in a downtrend, and I noted by this orange circle here that if we can break through this downward channel, we would go higher and test the resistance of 6782. I also said that if we break through the downward channel and we get to 6782, we would probably bump our heads against that resistance and hang around there and just accumulate at the upper limit of 6782. Ladies and gentlemen, on the chart, guess what happened? We bumped our heads and we zigzagged and consolidated at the upper limit near 6782. We tested it 1, 2, 3, 4 times. On the 4th time, we finally broke through a little bit and we got rejected again. And you can see that we made a higher low. And then we saw another rally up again at 6782. another rejection, but we saw another higher low, and then we went back again, and we finally pierced through it, and we're seeing another higher low, but the higher low is now sitting at 6782. Ladies and gentlemen, this is an extremely bullish chart for Evergrow Coin. It may not seem that way on your trust wallets right now, but I assure you though, this is a very bullish sign of the things to come. Remember, Q1 2022, we're going to have the $1 million marketing occur when Creator is released, and we know Creator is being released, guess what? Q1 2022, early January. We're also seeing the Evergrow coin search term increase from 14 to 32 points. That is a huge, almost double increase. So we're seeing the Omicron variant, while it is still deadly, it is a much more manageable virus per the studies. We're seeing the stock markets rally into the end of the year due to the Santa Claus rally. I did note that this year we may not see a Santa Claus rally due to the pandemic. The only time I haven't seen a Santa Claus rally was in 08-09 during the financial crisis. So this tells me even the pandemic cannot stop Santa Claus. And that's fine with me, man. Let's keep it going. So I just wanted to finish with this message here. If you are considering getting into Evergrow Coin, again, this is not financial advice. However, though, we're seeing all of the news and fundamentals line up. We're seeing the technicals line up. We are seeing the cryptocurrency market line up. 2022 is going to be explosive. The only question is, are you going to get in now, or will you get in later chasing green candlesticks and having FOMO? I don't know, and that is up to you. Leave me the keyword FOMO in the comments down below, because I want to know who are the real ones. Get up to $25 in crypto.com by using my referral code, link down below in the description. I want you all to have an amazing Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and most importantly, stay safe, and I will catch you all on the next one.